Today, we will be coloring, tracing a big line down, and cutting with this animal worksheet that my mom made for me. So let's start with coloring. First, I'm going to color in my cow. I'm going to try to stay inside the lines. Now I'm going to color my chicken. And then I'm going to color my cat. And now let's find a different color. I'm going to use green, and I'm going to trace these big lines down. Make sure to use two hands, one to help you hold the paper, and then one to hold the crown. And now I'm going to find my scissors. Remember, we have to use thumbs up cutting. And remember, let's start cutting on the line that is furthest from the hand that I hold the paper with. So for me, I'm going to start cutting and then stop when I get to the cat. And now stop when you get to the chicken, and stop when you get to the cow. Good job!